one of the things I always wanted to do, all of us, right, as business owners, want to do is create more video content, right, for our online audience. The problem being for me is that I am not an editor. I don't want to edit videos, and it just seems like such a daunting task, which is why I always turn to Edie. But then I would get all these really cool footage of me speaking or going to conferences or consulting with my clients, and I had all these ideas of creating these really cool videos. But then the problem became of, you know, how I was going to get the file to her, or they would literally just sit in my phone and I wouldn't do anything with them. And so now when I work with Edie with her remote video creation, I can take her with me, right? So I'm at conferences speaking and she's there directing me. It's kind of having like your own video crew following you virtually, right? So she's with me at conferences and she can, you know, kind of tell me where the lighting is, to look at the camera, and this whole time I know I'm recording myself on stage, but then after I'm done, Edie has the footage already, so I don't have to worry about sending it to her and things like that. It's kind of having a virtual director, a video editor, a camera crew following you wherever you're going with your phone, right? Something like this would literally take me months of shooting my own stuff, forgetting to send it to her, or trying to figure out how to send these massive files over to her. And the process was just much, much slower. Now, I'm literally taking her with me, and she's capturing the footage right then and there, which makes it a lot easier for her to edit and get me the content that I so have desperately wanted for so long at a much faster rate. So when we did our first session, I mean, we were able to bang out 4 videos in less than an hour. So I'm loving this new service. I think this is a game changer for anyone wanting to create more video content, but they don't have time to do it. They don't have the editing skills needed to make them a little bit more professional. So I'm so looking forward to shooting many more videos using my phone, full well knowing that Edie is going to hook me up with some sick video content.